Charitable contributions, do you do that? You make stuff, you're a maker, you're a creator, you sell stuff, you got a little side hustle going on, you're doing well at it. Do you ever donate anything to charity or to any kind of good cause? And that's what I'm going to cover here a little bit. A lot of the stuff you make is ideal for what they call raffle baskets or gift baskets or auction baskets. So if there is a benefit, and I've got 3 of them behind me here, I'll go into detail with in a minute, for a benefit that's coming up next Tuesday for a little 6-month-old girl that's going to have open heart surgery. And it's very, very hard on the family. They're having a fundraiser, and these baskets will be put out to be raffled off. And we get nothing out of it other than the satisfaction of donating to a good cause. But I just wanted to give you some ideas of what you could do. You know, maybe you're doing sublimation, maybe you're doing work with a Cricut and a die cutter, maybe you're doing work with your lasers, CNC, maybe a combination of all 3. You can have different themes. One of the ones up here is a sarcastic theme. I'm good at that. Another one is a beach theme with some strawberry daiquiri to go with it, tumblers and coasters. The other one is a Halloween theme. And as I said, we're going to be donating all these. So I'll take you over here, I'll kind of show you what's in them, and maybe you can get some ideas of what you might be able to do for some good cause in your area. Okay, there might be a little background noise. We've got the air conditioner running up here. It's just brutal hot outside. This is the first one. It's got 3 coffee mugs in it with some sarcastic sayings on them. And then there's a set of 3 ceramic coasters with a coaster holder. This set right here is a bottle of strawberry daiquiri pre-mixed, rum included, a set of slate coasters, the holder, and 4 20-ounce skinny tumblers, all with a beach theme. So I can turn one of them around a little bit so life's better at the beach. And my other one here is a Halloween theme. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 signs in it, and some kind of spooky coasters there at the bottom. The everything in there was cut on a laser. Now over here, this is the exception of the coasters and the coaster holder. This is all sublimation, and these coffee mugs were sublimation, but the coasters were laser engraved on white ceramic tiles. So there's an overview of these 3 baskets I've made up for this benefit coming up. Didn't take me all that long to make these. It's something we do all the time anyway, and especially with the Halloween stuff, I build my stock up because we sell quite a bit of that. So another thing I will be doing is I will be putting one of our business cards in with each one of these baskets. It's a little bit of advertising, you know, may get some business out of it, I don't know. But for a very, very good cause, and if you are a business and you pay taxes like I do, you can actually write the cost of that off as a charitable contribution. So something to keep in mind when it comes to tax time. So just a little quick short one there today on, you know, making some charitable contributions with things you create. People will appreciate it, really appreciate it. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up, always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the loft above the shop, trying to stay cool. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.